Good morning, everyone. My name is Abir. I'm going to tell you about lion. Lion is a big wild cat. It is known as the king of the jungle, and the female lions are known as the queen of the jungle. And the male lions have mane as well. Female lions don't have mane, and they come from the hunting from their moms. And the dad is very lazy, sleeps from 16 to 20 hours. Thank you. Morning everyone, my name is Karma. Today I'm going to talk about cheetah. Cheetah is the fastest cat. They can see 5 kilometers away. They are found in grasslands. They have black tear marks on their face. Their eyesight is very good in the daytime. Thank you. Morning everyone, my name is Kian. My name is Kian Katrusa. Today I'm speak about leopard. Leopard is golden with black roses. He climbed up trees to the fruit. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Adil. I will speak about tiger. Tiger have orange fur and black stripes, and tiger lives in the forest, and tiger is national animal, and